Hi. Welcome. This video provides demonstration for National Life General Insurance Provider Portal. Enter valid username and click on Next button. Enter valid password. If password is forgotten, click on Forgot Password. Enter the registered email ID and click on Submit button. A verification mail will be sent. If the valid credentials are available, enter the username and password and click on Submit button. Clicking on Clear button clears all entered values. Once logged in the portal, dashboard is shown with pending pre-approvals, else it will show renewal and extended policies with policy name, under the same applicable band of the provider. Now, how to print the online claim form. Click on Member Eligibility and Online Claim Form menu and is redirected as shown. User can select and search either by Member ID or Resident ID. Enter the Member ID and click on Search button. If the Member ID is incorrect, system will validate as, this member does not have access to your facility. If valid Member ID is given and clicked on Search button, the available member details like member name, category, band, cover from date, cover to date, in-house pharmacy, date of birth, sex, cover, member status, staff code, division, etc. are defaulted. Select the doctor name from the list and based on the selection made, specialty will be shown. Enter the patient ID, GSM number or mobile number and the date of admission is defaulted to system date. Click on Print Online Claim Form and form will be opened in the next tab. This claim form is defaulted with provider information and member information, also form contains some additional fields to capture medical information. Close the Claim Form tab. Next, how to reprint the online claim form. Click on Reprint Online Claim Form. A pop-up will be shown with all existing claim form number along with the date of admission, doctor, specialty, and patient ID. Click on Claim Form Number and the claim form is opened in new tab as shown. Close the Reprint Claim Form tab. Creation of Pre-Approval. Click on Pre-Approval Entry menu. Approval type and provider name are defaulted. Enter the provider details like treatment type, select outpatient or inpatient from the list. If type is inpatient, then select the management type from the list. If treatment type is outpatient, request nature from list, enter date of admission and discharge. Select the doctor name from list, specialty and faculty is defaulted, enter patient file number. In member details, select either Member ID or Resident ID, proceeding with Member ID. Enter the Member ID, and details like claimant name, member status, currency, age, cover details, Resident ID, and member type are defaulted. Enter patient GSM number, select the benefit type from the list. Enter the clinical evaluation details like blood pressure, temperature, pulse rate, presenting complaints with duration, past medical history if any, other system examination, family or obstetrics history if any. Provider details like contact person, location, fax number, contact number etc. are defaulted. Provider can enter the referral details manually. If referral is checked, then refer to provider and refer to doctor are enabled. User has to select from the list shown. If unchecked, confirmation will be shown. Select yes and continue. Provider can enter the diagnosis details, like provisional diagnosis from the list, final diagnosis from the list, differential diagnosis from the list and click on Add icon to add more details. Enter the plan of management. Next, enter the service details like service type, service name from the list. Unit price will be defaulted from product price list master. Enter the quantity, amount will be calculated, unit discount are defined in the masters, enter the remarks. Click on Add icon. Provider can enter more service type as shown. Provider can view other details like total amount, total discount, excess, or co-insurance, estimated amount. Provider can enter the notes. Provider can choose and upload files. Select the file and click on Add to Grid button. Click on Save button. And system will check for the mandatory data to be entered. A pre-approval reference number will be generated with a success message. User can view pre-approval number as shown. Click on Submit for approval. A success message will be shown as request submitted for approval with so-and-so reference number. Click OK to close the pop-up. User will be redirected to view pre-approval menu as shown. Creation of normal referral for pre-approval. Select Referral checkbox. Select Refer to Provider from the list, also select Refer to Doctor, which is optional. Provider user can refer the pre-approval to another provider, enter remaining details. Once submitted, pre-approval number will be generated. Email will be sent to the referral provider after National Life and General Insurance Company approval. Creation of in-house clinic or bronze referral pre-approval. In-house clinic referral. One in-house clinic or bronze provider can refer the pre-approval to another in-house clinic or bronze provider. Select Referral checkbox and select the Refer to Provider and Refer to Doctor from the list, and the referred specialty is defaulted. Remaining details are to be entered, and once clicked on Save button, pre-approval number will be generated successfully. Email will be sent to the referral provider after National Life and General Insurance Company approval. How to create a dental pre-approval. Enter the provider details like treatment type, management type, date of admission, and select the doctor from the list. Enter the member ID. Provider can view the age as 4, so member is considered as child. Select the benefit as dental and click on Select Teeth link. Selected member is child, so system showing the child dental image. Provider need to select the dental modality and teeth. Provider can select the teeths either from image or select teeth list. Then click on Add to Grid and proceed. If the selected member is adult, system will show adult dental image. Provider need to select the dental modality and teeth. Provider can select the teeths either from image or select teeth list. Then click on Add to Grid and proceed. Request can searched based on filter category like member ID, treatment type, request number, basic diagnosis. Select the member ID and enter the member ID in search by value, and click on Search button. The request number will be shown along with the status and basic details. User can also filter based on status like all, approved, cancellation confirmed, cancellation in progress, cancellation requested, cancelled, closed, completed, intimated, query in progress, query replied, submitted for approval, under review. Select from date and to date. Select any of following and click on Search button. Click on request number and the details are viewed as shown below. User can view the status as submitted for approval. Once National Life and General Insurance Company approves the request number status will be shown as approved. Click on request number and it's redirected to pre-approval screen as shown below with all details. If the provider wants to enhance, then click on Request Enhancement button to request the National Life and General Insurance Company to enable the enhancement. Enter the comments to submit the request, and click on Submit button. Request enhancement request sent to National Life and General Insurance Company, with the success message as shown. Search the request by status, select Request Enhancement and click on Search button. User can view the request number with status as enhancement requested. Once National Life and General Insurance Company confirms the request, the status will be changed to enhancement confirmed. Click on Request Number. Add service details. Select service type from the list, select the service name, unit prices defaulted from the master setup, enter quantity and click on Add icon to add more, enter the comments. Click on Save button and the request number is updated successfully. Click on Submit for approval and request will be sent to National Life and General Insurance with a success message. Click OK to close it. Click on View Pre-Approval menu. Enhanced request will be generated with sequence to request number. Click on Print Pre-Approval button. User can view the intimation request along with approval details. Click on View Pre-Approval menu. Search the status as completed. User can view the request number along with status as completed. Click on Request Number. Click on Cancellation Request button, and a pop-up will be shown. Enter the comments in the comment box and then click on Submit button. User can view the status as cancellation requested. Click on View Pre-Approval menu and once the National Life and General Insurance Company confirms the request, the status will be shown as cancellation confirmed. Click on Request Number. Once the cancellation is confirmed by insurance company, provider need to attach non-utilization report with remarks and save the data, browse the data and upload the document. Enter the comments, click on Confirm Cancellation button to confirm. The pre-approval will be successfully cancelled with a success message. Click OK to close the message and will be redirected to view filter the status screen as cancelled and click on Search button. Click on View Claims menu, all existing claim requests will be shown. Member ID can be searched by selecting the filter category as member name, member ID, treatment type, reference number, benefit type. Enter the search by values and click on Search button, results will be shown. Click on Existing Claim Ref number, and the screen will be shown as below. How to create a claim using single pre-approval. Select date of admission. Provider can enter the member ID or enter the claim form if the number is known. Click on Search button, if any pre-approvals are available. Select the pre-approval and then click on Proceed button. Select benefit type. Enter the invoice number and remaining details are fetched as per you given previous details for that request. Enter other details like reasons and complaints if any. Click on Submit button, system will check mandatory fields, enter the final diagnosis. Now click on Submit button, a claim number is generated successfully message is shown, and click OK to close the message and is redirected to View Claims menu. National Life and General Insurance Company will register and process the claim. How to create a claim using multiple pre-approvals. Provider can enter the claim by clicking on Add New button, or by clicking on Claim Entry menu. This screen is used to intimate the claim and same can be processed from National Life General Insurance Company after registration. Click on Claim Entry menu, select the treatment type, management type, date of admission and provide member ID, all the details are retrieved. Based on member ID given, system will show pre-approvals list by clicking on Search button, system will view all the approved pre-approval for that member. Provider can select multiple approval at a time by selecting the checkbox as shown, and click on Proceed button. System will show all approved service details from the selected pre-approvals. Provider has to enter invoice number and verify the details. Once verified, click on Submit button. Provider has to check all and fill all mandatory details like final diagnosis and claim form number as shown. Provider can enter claim form number as shown. Now click on Submit button. So, claim will be saved successfully with message as displayed. Once clicked OK, it will be redirected to View Claims menu. How to create a claim using online claim form number. Click on Claim Entry menu. Select the treatment type, management type, date of admission, enter the claim form number. If the member already has claim form printed by provider, else provider has to enter manually. Member details like claimant name, date of birth, category, gender etc. are defaulted along with doctor details. Remaining details like final diagnosis, claim details are to be entered by provider. Click on Submit and the request will be sent to National Life and General Insurance Company. Click on Claim Entry menu, select the date of admission like in the month of August. If the claim batch is closed by the National Life and General Insurance Company for the selected admission month, system will show the validation and message like, claim registration has been closed for the month. Next, how to submit the price. Click on Add Price List, enter the product code, select the product type from the list. Enter the product name. Enter the gross price. Select the discount type as fixed or percentage, enter the discount. Based on this, requested amount will be calculated. Provide the remarks, and click on Save button. A success message with product code will be shown. Click on Submit for Approval button as shown and a success message will be shown. Click User can select the status as submitted for approval and click on Search, and the result will be shown. In status, if the service is marked as query by National Life and General Insurance Company, status will be shown as query in progress. Provider can click on Query Reply button, then initial level manager will approve it and status shown as approved. Click on ID. Click on Re-Review button, so request sent to National Life and General Insurance Company for review. Click on Accept button to accept the price by providing remarks. After final approval from National Life and General Insurance Company, the status of the price will be changed to Accepted. Select Status as Accepted and click on Search. User can find the status as accepted as shown. How to create a doctor. Click on Doctors List menu. User can search by doctor name, status, specialty, department, faculty, and click on Search. List of all doctors for that provider will be shown in table, or provider can search based on status or specialty. Click on Doctor ID. Doctor details, doctor working hours, days availability, charges details, license details, and document-related doctor details are shown. Provider can add new doctor by clicking on Add New button. Enter doctor name, nationality, provider group is defaulted, provider is defaulted, department will be defaulted based on the selection made in specialty, select days available, phone number, provider remarks, status is defaulted. Enter doctor working hours from time and to time, click on Add button to add to grid. Enter charges details such as specialty, faculty as per mo, charges, discount type, discount and net price is calculated. Enter license details such as license issuing authority, place of issuance, license number, date of issuance and expiry date. Choose File and upload the file if any and click on Save button, a success message will be shown. Click OK to close the message. Click on Submit for Approval button and a success message will be shown, as doctor details submitted for approval to National Life and General Insurance Company successfully. If the National Life and General Insurance has any query, the status for that doctor ID will be shown as Query in Progress. Click on ID number and enter comments or remarks to reply for requested by National Life and General Insurance Company. Once National Life and General Insurance Company accepts the doctor, the status is shown as accepted. Click on Doctor ID and the screen will be redirected to doctor details and provider can add or edit info and click on Update button. Click on Cancel. Request will be sent to National Life and General Insurance Company for cancellation approval. Click on Edit Profile menu. Provider can edit the information like provider details, address details. Provider can edit or delete contact information by clicking on Edit button or Delete button. Provider can change the license details by clicking on Edit or Delete button. Provider can update the bank details. Provider can change the license details by clicking on Edit or Delete button. Provider can update the bank details. If the information like change in provider name, user has to upload the documents mandatory. Once the details are changed, click on Update button. Click OK to close. Click on User Management menu. Provide can view the profile details like email ID, provider group etc. Provider can change the password and click on Save. Click on Claims Registration Summary as shown. This is to view provider covering letter for a month. Provider can search between period by selecting from date and to date and then click on Search button. Month-wise registration shown along with total claim count, gross claim amount, discount, patient paid amount and finally net claimed amount. Click on Claim Summary button. A summary form is shown in Next tab. Here ends the demonstration for Provider Portal. Thank you.